Hi, I'm Mike Vickery. This is Rob Clapper. We're with the Bradley Corporation. We want to show you just how easy it is to take one of our 6A sanitizer dispensers and mount it on our new 6A20 stand. It's quick, it's easy. Take it away, Rob.
It starts off with 4 screws all together, the machine thread. The first 2 I've halfway threaded into the top unit. All you have to do is pop open the unit, slide it right into the slot,
Okay.
drop it down.
Sure.
So the top 2 allow it to hang, and the bottom 2 secure the whole unit to the wall.
Right to that mounting plate. So it's 4 screws in all, and that's going to give us all the stability we need.
And then tighten the top 2 units.
Right?
And you're done.
And I'm going to put the dispenser back in, close it up, and Rob will lock the lid. And that's it, you're done. Now with the 6A20 stand, you can go anywhere in your facility, put it where you have people, and you have given your folks the sanitizing station they need.